Jez here from nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here with a Father's Day card. So I've made this Father's Day card for my father-in-law. Nice little deck chair in there, hoping for a bit of sun on Sunday. And so stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. So I'm using the colour families. This is the neutral pack, the 6x6. So we get a pack of these in each of the colour families, plus the in colours. So in the colour families you've got 10 colours, so you get 4 sheets of each colour, 2 of each design. This is just half a pack here. With the in colours, because you've got just 5 colours, you'll get 4 sheets of each colour. So with these you get 2 of these and 2 of these, and then like that on the back. And with the in colours you get 4 of each. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I was very sad to see the gingham gala go, so I was quite pleased with these, but it's not got the white in it like you've got with gingham gala, so it's a bit different, but you know, it's still quite satisfying. So as you can see, this piece is cut up, and so that's what I'm using for today's card. Of grey granite, standard size cardstock, cut in half, scored in half. I've got a matte in Whisper White for the middle and a matte in Whisper White for the outside, and I have embossed it with the subtles in embossing folder. So I've cut a piece of the DSP with the words on the script. I quite like that. So it's 3 inches by the width of this mat, which is 3 7/8. So I've cut it about 3 7/8. I think I've cut it so I might trim it slightly there. And then the die cut elements that I'm using are from, let me bring them in. So from Well Written, I've cut out the love. From Seasonal Layers, I've cut out the wooden chair, and then from Support Ribbon I've cut out the heart. Oh, and also from Well Written I've cut out the foliage, and then I've embossed the heart as well. I just wanted to give it a little bit of texture. And then this is from All Geared Up. I borrowed my friend's and stamped Happy Father's Day and die cut it, because I don't have that set and I didn't have Happy Father's Day, so I just went, oh, can I just do that? So I did. We had a crafty day and I just cut out loads. I didn't know at the time what colour I was doing, so I actually cut out loads of those in different colours. And then I've used the ribbon punch just to add a little bit of a border along there. And I'm going to use some white baker's twine as well round it as well. I might try this, not quite sure about that bit. So I'm just going to get this all stuck together. So I'm going to build everything onto this before I stick it down. So we can glue that down first. Took me ages to decide which side I wanted. What I was thinking about was all the things that my father-in-law kind of likes to do, and he loves his garden, hence the plants and the deck chair, and he does like to read, so that's why I chose the script side of the paper, and bunged a heart in and love, because we love him. So yeah, well, I just spread a bit of love for Father's Day. So and I need to get it in the post because it's Sunday. Most of this border will in fact be covered up, but I still wanted to put one on. There we go. And then I'm going to decide how I'm going to stack these on. That was kind of my thought. I'm going to wrap the twine round this before I put the Father's Day on. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So because it's going to all be covered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of glue on the back of my hand. That's be the easiest. And then we'll just pop those round, stick that down. And then we'll put the chair on. And now I'm going to make a decision about this. I'm thinking I want the heart on that side. I could put love down there. I might get a white love to offset it. I've got one. And I might glue that on together, slightly offset, and then it will be seen. So it's like a little bit of a shadow. I might put it up there after it's been, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to stick that up there. And then I'm going to get my baker's twine. And I'm going to there we go. Yep, I'm going to pop that up on dimensionals. And then I can make a decision about where that love's going. So that's going to go on there like that. And then I think we might have a bit of love going on over there. So I need a bit more glue on the back of my hand. So we want a bit on this. Stick it down, so just ever so slightly offset, and then Stick that across there. And then I might put a little bow get me sharper scissors, and then I could put that there. Yep, I got a bit of glue on there. There we go, and then we'll just put glue all over that. No, oh no, that's the bow end. Duh. So then we'll just glue this to the card base, and then I'm going to do a bit of Stampin on the inside. And we just hope that next Sunday the weather's better than it is this Sunday, and that you might get to sit out in the garden. Although he lives in Northumberland, so not renowned for its sunny days up there. So I've lost the end of that. There it is. End of that bow. So I just thought I'd have a little deck chair in the corner. And we'll have granite grey for the seat bit of the deck chair. These are more like English deck chairs, that's more like an American deck chair, although lots of gardens are now getting ones like that now. Right, I'm gonna might get my head in the way a bit here. Oh, cooking on gas. There we are. So that just needs to glue in the inside. I think that's possibly the best I've ever stamped that deck chair. Maybe I should do it at a little bit of an angle. There we go. And then that's all ready. All ready for the post. There. Hope you like that. Hope you're all ready for Father's Day. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. That worked out really well. You have something in your head and then, oh yeah, it actually does come out to fruition. There we go. I might fiddle with that. Okay, see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go on to the my blog. There's buttons here to follow. And yeah, I'll see you again soon.